First of all, happy 4th of July to American watchers. I shouldn't say that too loud because I'm English and I'm in Oklahoma. Anyway, this is a very simple upgrade, especially for soldering. I tended to burn my fingers all the time and needed something a bit like helping hands, but realised I can make one very simply. And all you need are these kind of ingredients here. Something heavy and solid for a base, and this is a kitchen tile, bathroom tile. And then the end of an old clip lead, take this off the end and reuse the crimping part. Just a small length, a few inches, 8 inches perhaps, of mains wire and some glue. You can use any glue really, 2-part epoxies or this type here, or the E6000 or the, no, not that, that's rubbish. So, first thing to do is to take off this end. These ends are normally only crimped, so I'm just using a screwdriver and push outward, go along, keep pushing outward, and then the wire will just come out the end and then leave with enough material to grip onto the mains wiring. So there we are, the old wire is out, the new wire is in. Now all I've got to do is crimp that on again. There we go, re-crimped. And now to bend it into a shape such that the bottom will be able to support quite a bit of weight, and the top of course can then be flexible, move it wherever you want. That's the basic shape. So the next thing to do is to glue it. Just glue it in place like that. And that's it, job done. Literally a 5 minutes thing, and ends up being a very useful object indeed. Of course, making 2 of them like I've got here now, we can support longer objects for soldering, whatever. Another tip is to have a couple of magnets on the side, and then if you've got something which might break, if it was to be squeezed down with the jaws, then you can put magnets underneath it and it will actually stick instead to this rather than being squeezed by it. So that's just a little tip for some things. But anyway, hopefully that was useful. Very effective, just using, well, spares and what have you from around the build table. And I use this one, well, that one, every day. Okay, thanks for watching.